From the side, you can see the apex right here. What's good, boss chicks? Welcome back to another video, and we have another collaboration. Today we are going to be collaborating with Beetles for the Tipex Instant Apex pre-built nails. Let's get into this package. On the back, you have the directions for how to apply these nails, along with the specifications of the nail lamp and everything that actually comes in the kit. Never mind this, it is kind of beat up and going through customs kind of damaged it, but let's get into the box. So it comes with an instruction manual, nail glue, base gel, a nail file, and a buffer. It also comes with a set of nail tips, a flash cure lamp, along with a cord. Here are the instructions. This is also the specification on the nail lamp again, as well as the directions on how to apply the nail tip. Let's get into some nails. These are what the nail tips look like up close. As you can see, it has an etched inside, that way you can save time applying these nail tips. I took off the largest size. This is in a coffin. I wanted to give you a close-up of how this nail tip looks from the side. And as you can see, these nail tips, much like the 5 angles that I showed you in a previous video, kind of have that magnifying look to them as well. This nail does feel really sturdy. From the side, you can see the apex right here. These are very durable. As you can see, very durable. You do have some flexibility a little bit in the back, but this has a very strong tip. Not much flexibility there. Here are the nail art items that we will be using for today's set, along with this blue mixed glitter. And I'm feeling kind of blue today, so we're going to go with a simple, easy design that you can do right from home. To do this design, what I'm going to do is apply a thin amount of base coat into the nail tip and then place the glitter before curing. Now I'm only going to do a flash cure because I do still need to actually put these nails on. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of place the glitter wherever I want it, flip it over, check it, make sure that I like its placement. Like I said, today's video is a very easy and simple design. You can just follow along by watching the video to achieve the look that I did in the video, if that's something that you're interested in. But I want to take the remainder of this time to just go ahead and first of all apologize for being gone for about 2 weeks. I have been sick, along with I had a bunch of events for the month of May and did not have time to record. As well as being a content creator, I was super mentally drained and just unmotivated overall. So I needed to step back a bit and just kind of renew my mind. So that's kind of where I've been. I'm back now, so be sure that those notifications are on. Be sure that you are subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out. Oh, I also need to mention this. Whenever I'm not on my nail channel, I am probably recording a vlog, kind of letting you know exactly what's happening. So you can check the description box for my personal channel. If you want to go ahead and follow that channel, be sure to subscribe. I do a lot of updates as far as life and what's happening, behind the scenes content for this channel, and when I need to take my mental hiatus. But this is pretty much the design, y'all. This is a short video today, just to give you guys an idea of what the Beetles Tipex nails look like. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, go ahead and drop those in the description box below. You know that I do get around to my comments, but while I was away, I did not, but I did get back to everybody. So I do want to thank you for being a part of this community. Don't forget, if you're interested in blogs, lifestyle, and things like that, check out my personal YouTube channel that's left in the description box below. Stay tuned to this channel because we have yet to do our giveaway for our 1,000 subscribers. We have more collaborations on the way, so be sure that you subscribe and turn on that notification notification bell so you don't miss out on every time that I upload. Also, be sure to check the community tab as I will be posting updates there. And again, thank you so much for your love and your support for this channel. Stay tuned until the end for the final results of this set. And as always, boss chicks, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.